May pina-approve kayo mga dummy accounts sa PR team para sakyan yung issues kay Jenny at i-repost yung mga negative articles about us.
Yes, I did. Not a proud moment. Pero hindi rin kasi naging maganda ang hiwalayang Jenny and Astra M. Nasaktan ako. Nagalit.
I understand, Ma. But can we delete them now? Look, Astra M has done enough damage sa reputation ni Jenny. Hindi na yung fair kung itutuloy pa rin natin.
Okay.
I suggest, let's make legitimate accounts. In that way, we can focus on our own artists.
Okay.
Most especially Yumi. Let's build them up cleanly. May recos ako. Oh, ganyan na naman yung tingin mo sa akin.
Na-amaze lang kasi ako. Hindi ko alam na ganyan ka ka-serious when it comes to being trained.
Sinabi ko naman, di ba?
Yes. But I warn you, my son, that being involved in the company this early might require some sacrifices.
Okay lang, Ma. I need this for my professional and personal growth. Wanna bite?
Yeah?
Hindi mo pa rin sinabi kay Miss Vanna? Sobrang may siguro sa kanila dito, te. Bakit hindi? Bakit nga? Bakit? Ano ba?
Mukhang okay na rin naman sila ni Sir Freddy at hindi tayo sigurado kung meron talaga nangyaring affair.
Sa bagay. Corrected by ka naman dyan.
Diba? Deadmahin na lang natin.
Oy! Te Jolina! Tinatakbuhan mo ba ako? Tinatakbuhan mo ako yung utang mo. Sandali lang, te. Jojombagin ko lang to. Te! Te!
Wala ka, Chumi na. Good night sa'yo. Nate? Kita na kita.
I just came here to say goodbye. For now. I failed you, Jenny. Kung kailangan mo ako, wala ako. Hindi mo lang kita naipagtanggol, naipaglaban. I haven't done anything for you during your darkest times.
Nate.
You don't deserve a guy na puro sorry lang. Puro promises pero wala namang paninindigan. I need to fix myself. Become stronger and mature enough to fight for that person that I love. I love you. Mahal kita. Igugmata ka. Lahat. Totoo yun. Sana maging bana mo pa din ako balang araw. Naging safe space mo. Shoulder to cry on. To be a man that you can hold on to without any fear. Hindi ko pa nakakita yung lalaki yun sa sarili ko. At yan. I need to become someone worthy of loving you the way you deserve.